Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check and send emails on iPhone, and here's how it is done. Now let us open the Mail app and start by composing an email. Tap New Email, type in the email address, and give it a subject, like sample only. When I press the blue send arrow at the top right corner, notice at the bottom, I have the option to hit undo send. When I do, it brings the draft back up. I will show you again. Tap send, and then undo send, which will reopen the draft. If you are not ready to send the email, you can simply tap the cancel button located in the top left corner of the screen. This action won't delete your email. Instead, it will automatically save it as a draft. The email will be stored safely in the drafts folder, so you don't need to worry about losing any of the content you have already written. Later, when you feel prepared to complete and send the email, you can easily return to the drafts folder to find your saved message. Once you have made any necessary changes or additions, you can go ahead and send it whenever you are ready. This feature allows you to take your time and make sure your email is exactly how you want it before hitting the send button. To customize how long you can undo an email after hitting send, go to Settings, tap Mail, and scroll down to the Undo Send Delay option. You can set it to 10, 20, or 30 seconds, or turn it off completely based on your preference. And that is everything you need to know about how to check and send emails on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.